Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here a circuit is given here. So in that circuit, how can you find V0 of t? Here source is U of t and having resistor, another resistor, here one capacitor. Now asking that how can you find the voltage across inductor? This V0 of t. This is the problem. So first of all observe here every component is in time domain. So convert the circuit in frequency domain, that means S domain. Apply Laplace, it becomes 1 by S. So for resistor R, that is 1 only. Here for capacitor, it is 1 by 3 is given. So it becomes 1 by SC. So 1 by SC means SC is 1 by 3. So up to that value, it becomes 3 by S. And here 1 is given, that is inductor value. So for inductor, that is SL. SL means L is 1, so yes. So it becomes 1 by S, it is 1 only, it is 5 only, it is 3 by S, and inductor is yes. Now the circuit was completely converted from time domain to S domain. Now apply meshes. Here are two meshes are there. Mesh means loops. Here two loops are there. So in the first loop, that current I1 was passing. In the second loop, there is a current I2. But in this element, it was affected with current I1 and I2. So while writing meshes, so let it is mesh 1 and this is mesh 2. Here current is I1, here current is I2. So I1, I2 are in terms of S, that is I1 of S or an I2 of S, because the circuit is completely in S domain. Now mesh for this. So in this apply KVL equal to sum of all voltage drops. Okay. Your source voltage is 1 by S. That's equal to next voltage drop across resistor. In this the current is I1. So apply Ohm's law. V equal to IR. I is I1, R is 1. That is I1 into 1 I1 plus next voltage drop across capacitor due to I1 and I2 is there. So first of all write due to I1, that is 3 by S into I1. So Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR or IZ. That means impedance. So the capacitor impedance is 3 by S in frequency domain. So 3 by S into the current I1. Next, due to current I2 also is there, some voltage drop, that is minus 3 by S I2. So due to current I2. Now by rewriting this equation, it becomes 1 by S equal to, so I1 is common here. So I1 into 1 plus 3 by S minus 3 by 2, 3 by S I2. So let's consider this is equation 1. This is mesh 1 KVL. Now write for mesh 2. So in the mesh 2 means in the second loop there is no voltage sources. So there is no voltage means it is equal to 0. So 0 equal to now sum of all voltage drops. Here voltage drop is I2 into 5, that is 5I according to Ohm's law, 5I2 plus next in the inductor the impedance is SL means S. L is 1, so S is the impedance of inductor. So according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. I here is I2, I2 into R is S, that is I2S plus due to current I2 in capacitor and due to current I1 in the capacitor. So add current due to current I2 value, that is 3 by S I2 will be added in the loop. Now minus of 3 by S I1. The voltage due to current I1 was subtracted. So this is the mesh KVL loop in the second mesh. Observe carefully this equation. So here I2 is there, here I2 is there, I2 is there, only this is I1. So bring this term to left hand side. So minus 3 by s I2 I1 nothing but it becomes 3 by s I1, that's equal to, so bring I2 common in these three terms. It becomes I2 into 5 plus s plus 3 by s. Now here 3 by s is multiplied. So bring this term to right hand side. It becomes I1 equal to s by 3 into I2 into 5 plus s plus 3 by s. Now multiply with s only this complete term, keep I2 and 3b outside. So that becomes I1 equal to I2 by 3 into, just I am multiplying with s each term. Here it becomes 5s plus s square plus here s is cancel, becomes, it remains only 3. So it becomes I1 equal to I2 by 3. So s square plus 5s plus 3. So let's consider this is second equation. Now we have I1 value. Substitute this I1 value in equation 1. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Substitute this I1 value in equation 1. Then we get one new equation that is completely in I2. So from that we can get I2 value. So from that I2 value we can easily find the voltage drop here. Because if you know I2, so we can get the output voltage by using Ohm's law. Now substitute this equation in this equation. So now it becomes, so 1 by s as it is, that's equal to, in the place of I1 I am going to write this equation, that is I2 by 3 into s square plus 5s plus 3 into this term, it is 1 plus 3 by s minus 3 by s I2. Now in this equation bring I2 as outside, means we want I2 value in terms of s. Now let's see here how to do it. Now multiply this equation both sides with 3s. Why means, so in denominator you have to observe here, only 3 is there, s is there, 3 is there, s is there, 3 s is there. So just why multiply with 3s on both sides. So it becomes, so by multiplying 3s here it becomes 3s by s, nothing but it remains 3 on LHS. 3 equal to, next here for this term if you multiply 3s, 3 will be cancelled here, becomes I2 s into s square plus 5s plus 3 into 1 plus 3 by s minus, by multiplying 3s here s is cancelled, only 3 remains, so 3 is 9, so 9 I2. Now multiply this s only here, here this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, I am multiplying this s with this term, so it becomes 3 equal to I2 into s square plus 5s plus 3 into, so s into 1 s plus s is cancelled, becomes 3s minus 9 I2. So bring I2 be outside, 3 equal to s square plus 5s plus 3 into s plus 3s minus 9 into I2. Now multiply these two terms. So it becomes 3 equal to, so by multiplying this complete equation By simplifying that, we'll get s cube plus 8s square plus 18s into I2. So from this equation, I2 will get 3 by s cube plus 8s square plus 18s. This is I2 value in terms of s. Now we got current I2 in terms of s. But here we want V0 of t. V0 of t is across inductor. So here we want voltage. So for the inductor, we know the impedance as, if you know current I2, then by applying Ohm's law, you can easily get V0 of t. Now we have current also is there. So current is there, impedance is there. Now by applying Ohm's law, we will get V0 of t. But here it is in s. So then convert into time domain by using inverse Laplace transform. So let's see here. So V0 of s will get, that is I2 into impedance of inductor, that is s. So I2 is, this is, it is 3 by s cube plus 8s square plus 18s, 3 into s. This is V0 of s in terms of frequency domain. But here we want V0 of t, it means in terms of time domain. Now how can you apply the inverse Laplace transform for this? So before applying inverse Laplace transform, you can simplify this. So in the denominator s cube, s square, s is there. So bring s common, in numerator s is there, it will be cancelled. So from this we get V0 of s equal to 3 by, here it remains s square plus 8s plus 18. Now write this one as a plus b whole square form. So that is 3 by s square plus, so this term can be written as 2ab. So 2 into remains 4 into s plus, so if the b is 4, here it becomes 16. Think about 16 plus 2. So 18 can be written as 16 plus 2. Just I am dividing it, but there is no change. Let's see here. So s square as this, just 8s I am writing as 2ab. 2 into a into b, it is 8s only, no change. If I consider b as a 4, here we get 16. So how much remains there from the 18? 2 remains. Okay. Now up to here we can write this one as in this form. So let's see here. So V0 of s equal to 3 upon, so up to here I am going to write like this, that is s plus 4 whole square plus 2. But it is not in the standard form. Convert that into standard form, then we can easily apply inverse Laplace transform. So how here apply root 2 and again square, there is no change. So with this term multiply and divide, that is root 2 by root 2. Now it can be written as V0 of s equal to 3 by root 2 be outside. Now take root 2 by s plus 4 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Now we can easily convert into time domain by using inverse Laplace transform. See here, omega by s square plus omega square form, that is for sine function. Here shifting is there, so shifting property applied. So now we can write as, so V0 of s become V0 of t. So V0 of t, so keep this as constant the outside, that is 3 by root 2. So it is omega by s square plus omega square form, that is sine root 2 t. The sine of area is root 2. So it becomes sine a is root 2. So root 2 t, and there is shifting is there, 4 plus 4 means minus of, that is e power minus 4t. So this is the V0 of t for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.